Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to customer satisfaction. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.